Good morning, namaste, namaskar. Hey, beautiful people, how are you? I hope you are fine. Since today, again in the morning, I am planning to restart again my channel, which was actually stuck. Okay, so here, particularly, I will again, first of all, start with the quote about I wish you very good health, wealth, happiness, prosperity, and abundance, peace, love, and serenity, and success for the day. मेरी सभी को शुभकामनाएं और शुभ भावनाएं हैं कि आप आपकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत अच्छी तरह से शुद्ध होके आज अच्छी तरह से आप तरक्की करें, यही मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना कर रहा हूँ. माझी सर्वांना विनंती की प्रत्येकाने चांगल्या पद्धतीने जीवन जगावे आणि चांगला आनंद व्यक्त करावा व प्रत्येकानेच चांगल्या प्रकारे सर्व आयु आरोग्य ठेवावे आणि शांती, प्रेम, आनंद व यश प्राप्ती मिळावी हीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना आहे. Since now today again the important thing is that the universe, first of all I would like to thank the universe. Why universe? Because we only can understand one important thing, that man or a woman or a human as a human being, particularly who is having certain things about like breathing, about the living of the life. We are living creatures, and that is only the one important thing we can understand, that we are having certain limitations. But when we understand actually the importance of a universe, the universe is having immense potential which can be not be counted as potential. Okay, so when we start believing in universe, actually somehow we will come towards that the universe is also having same type of reciprocation. So when we start, actually I understand actually from some of the particularly lessons and audios and podcasts, as well as some books and all, that universe is a real friend. So can we understand this universe in a proper way? What are the things we can understand by the universe? Universe is not only particularly when we see about the clouds, okay, outside the clouds and all, but universe is what? Universe is this substance which is particularly available when you talk about, and which has been created by by any of the things, like you can understand by Lord, God, okay, Bhagwan. So that is what we can understand actually, that the universe has created. So when we understand actually the particularly lessons of the universe, the drama of the universe, the plan of the universe, since as a human being we are also having a lot of limitations, okay, we can't actually perform or function in the way what universe is going to function, right? So that is what actually we can understand actually most importantly. आप वही देख सकते हो कि भाई जिंदगी में जो है ये हमारे यहाँ शक्तियाँ हमारी जो है सीमित है, ठीक है, लेकिन यूनिवर्स की शक्तियाँ अगर हम देखते हैं तो यूनिवर्स में असंख्य शक्तियाँ हैं. तो हम यूनिवर्स में क्या क्या चीज़ हम ये कर सकते हैं, इसमें हर एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ में यही हम देख सकते हैं कि जैसे हम पेड़ पौधे देख रहे, झाड़ देख रहे है ना, छोटे से प्लांट्स देख रहे, मिट्टी देख रहे, छोटे छोटे कंकर पत्थर देख रहे, पानी देख रहे हैं. तो हम पहले इन्हीं सभी को, यही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि भाई हम आपके वजह से मतलब है, तो ये परमात्मा की सृष्टि है, तो हम धन्यवाद इनको सभी को दे रहे हैं. अब ये धन्यवाद अगर हम दे रहे हैं, इसमें यानी कैसा है, ये वही बात है इम्पोर्टेंट कि वी आर हैविंग द फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड, मतलब हम कृतज्ञता के कृतज्ञ है इस सब चीज़ के लिए. ये हमको जो कुछ इन्हीं के वजह से, इन्हीं के बदौलत, मतलब परमात्मा की शक्ति की वजह से हमें ये सब मिला है. आज के डेट में अगर व्हेन वी गो इन द मॉडर्न इंडस्ट्री, व्हेन वी गो टू द ट्रैफिक ऑफ मुंबई, गो द ट्रैफिक ऑफ we are unable to get actually the fresh airs. ऑक्सीजन मिलेगा आपको. There is you can ask with the people are lot of people are struggling for only, you know what, only fight about, you know, their existence, survival, growth, and then going ahead and, you know, earning lot of, actually they are actually into money only. So यही बस पैसा पैसा और सब बहुत बड़ा बनाने का वही है. So they have forgotten actually the traffic. When you understand, actually everyone is pointing towards, you know, commercialization. It's not bad, actually it's a good thing.